how to make side mirrors fold automatically on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let me explain how the instrument cluster works, because you need to do this on your instrument cluster. So here you can navigate by using the arrows left and right, confirm options by pressing the OK button, and scroll up and down also by using the OK button. So now if you know the basic, let's go to your instrument cluster. Let me make it bigger for you. Alright. Now let's highlight here the settings, press OK to confirm it, and then you need to scroll down until you see the vehicle settings. So here I have vehicle settings, scroll down again, and here you can find mirror fold. Let me just press it. So this settings changes how your side mirrors fold in. So you can set it up auto fold off, unfold at power on, and unfold at unlock. So when it's set at unlock, the side mirrors will automatically opens up when you unlock the car, and they will fall flat against the door when you lock the car. So I think this is the best way to protect your mirrors. Let me leave it like that. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.